Hey guys, it's me, Vanji. Come spend a mini day with me. But first things first, let's work out. Now guys, I'm just arranging some stuff here after ko mag-workout. So yeah, minimal workout lang ako. Nag-pilates lang ako. Like home workout lang ganun. Tapos nag-glutes lang din, na-pilates lang din. Kaya ayun, sandali lang yung pag-workout ko. And then I'm just here. Let's just arrange some stuff here. So yeah, nagpupunas-punas lang din ako. Okay guys, so now I think I'm done here. So now, need ulit natin mag-photo shoot and I'm just wearing this. I'm wearing a white top, a gray jeans, and then naka-heels tayo for today. Do you guys think? Guys, gusto ko sana maayos yung bangs ko. Pero parang ayaw niya sumunod. So, ano na lang gagawin ko, diba? So guys, I already fixed my hair and this is just going to be my look for today since ayaw sumunod ng bangs ko. So I'm okay with this one. It's clean girl look lang din at the same time. And here's going to be my fit for today. And pants and also naka-heels tayo. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Once andun na tayo sa cafe na pagsushootan natin. And hopefully wala masyadong tao by this time. And makapag-shoot tayo. Pwede tayo mag-shoot doon. So ayun lang. And yeah, I have to go since it's already 3:23 na and we have to go. Kailangan ko na umalis kasi magsisimba pa ako after. So here's the look. It's very clean lang. Actually, I feel like ang itim ko sa white. But yeah, this is the look. And this is me. Guys, kakatapos na namin mag-shoot kaya kinakain ko na to. Saka ininom ko na to kasi dito kami ngayon sa Inarawan. Ni-renovate kasi nila yung place. So, dito ako, since taga Marikina ako, dito ko na lang naisipang mag-shoot. And yeah, I'll be posting it later. So guys, kakatapos na namin mag-mass kasi it's Ash Wednesday today. And now, we're on our way naman para umuwi muna din mag-ES kasi mag-pick up kami. And yeah. Hey guys, now we're here. Naglalaro na kami ng pickleball. Yeah, we're here lang sa Greenland. We're playing and then after this, mag-closing na kami sa chicken. So, bye-bye. See you guys later. Hey guys, so now it's already 11:30 something and nakapagsara na tayo ng 48 chicken and hindi na ako nakapag-video doon. But yeah, I think may pumuntahan pa tayo ngayon today. Ano ba yan?
Kaya ulit tayo.
Oh my God! Picture lang pa. Today.